my girlfriend, the one where they talk to you about.
What?
I'll just be honest, man.
Hey, my girlfriend.
I'll tell you the truth. This girl will.
What do you mean, Tony? I say that my girlfriend is this.
You know the every time they talk. This girl will.
Jesus!
You send for me and
Hey, I don't see her picture. I don't send you plenty picture now.
The girl will.
Jesus! My girlfriend. You get eye. Look.
No, they talk. Nothing they get.
No, go down. Wait, look me.
This girl where I feel like chimpanzee.
Jesus Christ.
I carry my girlfriend come with me. You insult.
You know, see the kind of clothes you wear, like always wearing for village.
What?
Bless no get eye.
You don't go insult me. I carry my
You
girlfriend.
understand though? You just carry me, Coco, introduce me to this stupid guy. We just dey here dey talk nonsense.
Me
You
and
don't get
her,
eye at all.
I just mean like
And here I mean see you. Just look. You like you never see this kind of person in your life before.
This girl will get body or doesn't.
Jesus.
Boy, you carry girl we carry.
I get body of it. Baby.
You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it.
Help!